Hello friends, today we are going to see our next grammar chapter, that is direct and indirect speech. In Marathi it is called Pratyaksha आणि अप्रत्यक्ष कथन. It is very useful when we are going to solve the activity sheet. There are direct sentences in the passages and we have to write the answers of that questions in indirect speech. So direct and indirect speech is very important for us. Now see that here is one chart which shows the word how change into indirect speech. For example, I turn into he or she in indirect speech. We turn into they. You become he, she or they. Then you also become him, her or them. Me turn into him or her. Us, them. My, his or her. Our, their. Your, his, her, their. Mine, her, his. This turn into that. These turn into those. Here becomes there. Now turn into then. As like this. Thus, so. Come, go. Is, am, are becomes was or were. Have or has turn into had. Do, does turn into did. Will becomes would. Shall, should. Can, could. May, might. Went, had gone. Tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Yesterday, the day before or previous day. Tonight, that night. Last night, the night before or previous night. Now we are going to see these sentences with the help of the tenses. For example, first, simple present tense turn into simple past tense. See the example. Direct speech. He said, comma, into inverted comma, I eat a mango, inverted comma, complete, full stop. Now we are going to see the indirect speech of this sentence. He said that he ate a mango. So what happens here? First of all, he said, then comma. In the place of comma, we take that conjunction word. Then inverted comma has omitted there. And I, the speaker is he, so I turn into he. Then in the simple present tense there is it. It's turned into simple past, ate. So the example is, he said that he ate a mango. Now see the second example. Here present continuous tense turn into past continuous tense. Example, he said, comma, into inverted comma, I am eating a mango, inverted comma, complete, full stop. Indirect sentence is, he said that, into place of comma, we take that conjunction. Inverted comma has gone. I am turned into he was, because the subject is he, speaker is he. So he was eating a mango. Full stop. Now see the next example. Present perfect tense turn into past perfect tense. Example: he said, comma, into inverted comma, I have eaten a mango, inverted comma, complete, full stop. Now see the indirect sentence of it. He said, I have. This is the present perfect turn into past perfect. He had. Eaten, V3 is already there, a mango. He said that he had eaten a mango. Then present perfect continuous tense turn into past perfect continuous tense. Example: he said, comma, into inverted comma, I have been eating a mango. The answer is, he said that. Inverted comma has gone. We take conjunction word that. I have turned into he had. He had been eating a mango. Full stop. The last example here. Simple past tense turn into past perfect tense. Example is, he said, comma, into inverted comma, I ate a mango. Answer is, he
Now
said that
see the next tense.
he had
Past
eaten
continuous
a
tense
mango.
turn into past perfect continuous tense. Example: he said, comma, into inverted comma, I was eating a mango. Indirect speech is, he said that he had been eating a mango. Next, future tense means will, shall, can, may, etc. turns into past tense means would, should, could, might. Example: he said, comma, into inverted comma, I will eat a mango. Indirect speech is, he said that he would eat a mango. Will turn into would. Then must turn into had to or must. Example: he said, comma, into inverted comma, I must eat a mango. Indirect speech is, he said that he had to eat a mango. Next, would, should, could, might. They have no change. Example: he said, comma, into inverted comma, I would eat a mango. Indirect speech is, he said that he would eat a mango. Means they remain the same, no change in it. Last, past perfect or past perfect continuous tense has also remained the same, means no change. Example: he said, comma, into inverted comma, I had eaten a mango, inverted comma, complete, full stop. Indirect speech is, he said that he had eaten a mango, means no change in it.
Now we are going to see assertive sentences, means विधानार्थी वाक्य. ज्यावेळेस विधानार्थी वाक्याचं आपण डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्टमध्ये रूपांतर करतो त्यावेळेस काय काय बदल होते वरती आपण बघितलेच आहे. तर पुन्हा एकदा पहिलं एक्झाम्पल व्यवस्थित बघा. ही सेड, कॉमा, into inverted comma, I am a good boy, inverted comma, complete, full stop. The answer is, he said. In the place of comma we take conjunction that. असर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्समध्ये कंजंक्शन वर्ड हा आपण दॅट घेतलेला आहे. त्यानंतर इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा अवतरण चिन्ह काढून टाकलेलं आहे आणि इथे आय एम बट स्पीकर इज ही, सो इट टर्न्स इंटू ही वॉज. सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टर्न इंटू सिम्पल पास्ट. ही वॉज अ गुड बॉय, फुल स्टॉप. नाउ सी द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. Into inverted comma, it is my book, inverted comma complete, Ram said to Shyam. The answer is Ram told Shyam. Now here one more rule. ज्या वेळेस दोन व्यक्ती एकमेकात बोलत असतील त्यावेळेस असर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्समध्ये सेडच्या ऐवजी आपण टोल्ड वापरला. राम टोल्ड श्याम that it was his book. Third, she said, I am going to school, Ramesh. Now see that. She said to Ramesh here. So indirect is she told Ramesh that she was going to school. Fourth example. Teacher said, you are a good boy, Ram. Answer is teacher told Ram that he was a good boy. Next example. Teacher said to girls, you are not playing. Teacher told girls that you are. The teacher कोणाशी बोलतात? गर्ल्स बरोबर, म्हणून they were not playing. Sixth, here is one more rule. See the example. The earth is round, said she. ज्या वेळेस असं सेंटेन्स येतं, the earth is round, the sun rises in the east, त्रिकालबाधी सत्य आहे, त्यावेळेस आपण टेन्स बदलणार नाही. she said that the earth is round. आता is हा isच राहिला कारण ते त्रिकालबाधी सत्य. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. He says, the book is very beautiful. Supporting verb present tense मध्ये असेल, उदाहरणार्थ says, asks, tells, speaks. त्यावेळेस आपण काळ बदलायचा नाही. He says that the book is very beautiful. Now see the next type of sentences. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य. See that in interrogative sentences there are two subtypes. First, verbal question. It is also called rhetorical question or yes no question. ज्या प्रश्नांचं उत्तर हो किंवा नाही मध्ये येतं त्यांना व्हर्बल क्वेश्चन म्हणतात. तर अगोदर आपण ते बघूया. एक्झाम्पल. He said, comma, into inverted comma, are you going to school? Question mark, inverted comma, complete. Now see the indirect speech. He asked. प्रश्न हा विचारला जातो म्हणून सेडच्या ऐवजी रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब आता आपण काय वापरलं? आस्क्ड. कॉमाच्या जागेवर वी यूज्ड इफ और वेदर कंजंक्शन वर्ड इन द वर्बल क्वेश्चन. तर आपण आता कंजंक्शन वर्ड इफ वापरलं. ही आस्क्ड इफ. नाउ सी द सेंटेन्स इज इन इंटरोगेटिव्ह फॉर्म. आर यू गोइंग टू स्कूल? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have to change this sentence into statement, means you are going to school. Then we turn its speech into indirect. He was going to school. Second sentence. Sita said to Ram, comma, into inverted comma, is it your book? Question mark, inverted comma, complete. See the answer. Sita asked Ram if it was his book. Full stop. Now, second type in interrogative sentence. that is WH question. WH question means the question which begins with WH word: who, what, why, when, where, and how, etc. There are 9 WH words. Example: the teacher said to the student, comma, into inverted comma, why are you late? Question mark, inverted comma, complete. Now see the sentence. The teacher asked the student. In the place of comma, now we use the conjunction word WH word. त्या ठिकाणी जो WH word असेल तोच वर्ड आपण कंजंक्शन म्हणून वापरलेला आहे. नाउ आर यू लेट? सिंपल सेंटेंस, यू आर लेट. नाउ इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इज ही वॉज लेट. द टीचर आस्क्ड द स्टूडेंट व्हाई ही वॉज लेट. सी द सेकंड एग्जांपल. Father asked to boys, comma, into inverted comma, what are you doing? Inverted comma, complete question mark. Now see the answer. Father asked boys, what are you? Simple sentence, you are. Indirect is they were, what they were doing. Now see the next sentence, third. Into inverted comma, where are my books? Question mark, inverted comma, complete. Said Sita to her father. Answer is Sita asked her father where. WH word is where. Her books were. Here is sentence, are my books, turn into simple, my books are, and indirect speech is her books were. Sita asked her father where her books were. So these are the interrogative sentences.
We will see the next part of direct indirect, that is imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences, in our next video. I hope you understand the statements and interrogative sentences in this part.
If you like this video, please share this video and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel English Study with Sopan Hon.